Welcome back, Foodizens. It's your girl TK, and I'm back with another foodie journal entry today, another video. And today's video, as you can see, it's going to be a green smoothie. Please don't let the looks fool you, because it really is delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to be starting off with some chopped spinach. I'm going to be using a half cup measurement, but it's going to be 2 scoops, and I'm using 2 scoops of the spinach to make it an actual half cup, because I'm thinking, and this is just my logic, the scoops that I'm putting in there, most of it, most of the spinach is in chunks, so it's not taking up the full space of the measuring cup. So I'm using 2 scoops to accommodate, or to actually possibly give me the half cup that I'm looking for. And next I'm going to be going in with some pineapple, and as you'll notice, everything that I'm going to be using, the fruits and vegetables, are going to be frozen, because number 1, I don't have any ice, and 2, I don't like to use ice in smoothies. I think that it's a bunch of fluff and filler. I want as much healthy fruit and vegetables as possible when I'm making smoothies. So that was a half cup of frozen pineapple, and here I'm just adding in 1 piece of jackfruit, and that's to give it a little bit of creaminess there. You know what? I lied a second ago. Because here I'm actually using fresh mango. So this is about 1/3 of a honey mango. It's the yellow ones. It's not the Kent with the red, yellow, and green. It's the kind of shorter ones. They're not as big as the Kent. I can't remember how to spell or pronounce the variety right now, so I'm just gonna go with honey mango. So I'm going in with 1/3 of that right now, and just to give it a healthy boost, I'm adding a little, pardon me if I butcher the pronunciation, but spirulina. We're gonna go with that today. And the serving says a tablespoon, but we're gonna do a half tablespoon, because I like opening this package. It smells a little fishy. So yeah, just a half tablespoon, because I don't think I'm ready for the full-on serving as of yet in my life. And although I do prefer for my smoothies to not have any added sweetener, again because of that health boost that I just added a second ago, I'm going to go ahead and add some honey just in case. And for my liquid, I'm adding some passion fruit juice. I got this from a little local Asian market near me. Tastes pretty good too. So the can is 10 ounces, so I'm adding about half of the can, so that's about 5 ounces of the passion fruit juice, and it's 100% passion fruit juice with the pulp and everything, which I really appreciate. All right, and next I'm going in with a half cup of water, because I wanted to use some of the passion fruit juice to make another type of smoothie. I guess I'm starting somewhat of a smoothie series here, huh? Anyway, so I wanted to save some of that passion fruit juice for another smoothie, so I added some water to kind of stretch out the smoothie here so that it's not too thick. All right, so we're just loading it up onto the blender to give it a nice blend until it's smooth, and it's time for the big reveal. Ta-da! Look at that beautiful green color. Look at that. And I know some of you may think that it looks gross, and it probably tastes like green leafy vegetables. It does not. It doesn't. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's smooth, it's healthy, but you don't feel like your gag reflexes are about to kick in as you try to drink it down. I promise. But I just want to thank you guys for joining me for today's video, today's journal entry. I do hope that you will at least consider trying this recipe. And until the next video, take care.